So the best way to learn how to deal with Odoo is to get a test account, which is pretty easy, and it's a good way to work along with that course. So you just go right here at odoo.com, start now, and you just choose your company name or a fantasy name for a company. Click try now. You can even fill out like more personal detail stuff like your address and email and so on. So it's for free for 2 users anyway. Fill out that form and get your test version to work correspondingly with what I do in that course. So this way it will really have an impact. If you just watch the videos, I'm pretty sure you forget all about that within 2 or 3 days. So get your test account and work with me. So if you type in all your information, you get your test account, which comes along with it's what I would call the core functionality of Odoo, with the messaging, sales, warehouse, reporting, where you can later on see how much sales you had in which period or month, so on and so on, and a lot more. And of course the settings. Everything you see here right now, it looks pretty much empty. There are not many navigation points to click. Same here, and in the settings section as well. So as I mentioned before, Odoo is built from different applications you put on top. So you see right now the CRM is installed, the social network is installed, so you can write messages between the employees or users within the system. Also the instant messaging, which is important for that. And of course the warehouse management. There are a lot more apps that are not installed. If you click on one of those, you install it within a blink of an eye. So just for testing reasons, we just do it with the project management tool, just to show you how fast it is. You just click install. Then it takes some time to install it on the Odoo server. And what's very important, it's very easy to install. That's how you see it, that's it. Now it's up here. But a warning, if you start to work with something and you have information in there and you uninstall it, you delete that module, all the information will be gone. Very important. And as more as you build up, the applications need to interact with each other. So it's not very smart just to build up apps and play with them and delete them, because it might have effect on other applications. So be very careful with that. I just wanted to show you right now how fast it is. And there are 2 possibilities. You install an app and it comes up in the top navigation section right here, or it is a certain application, let's say for warehouse management, and you just get more navigation points right here. It depends on the application that you install, but right now, just for general understanding, this is how it works. In this case, we can easily uninstall. It's very important that you don't do it if you already have information in there. So uninstalled. If I refresh right now, this application will be gone. That's what you see right now. So if you need further information about the modules, you can also go to settings. If you don't want to work along with the stuff that I'm talking about, you can read much more in here. You just go to modules and click on top, so you can read much more about it. Yeah. So from now on, that is the last general video. Right now we will start talking about specific topics and how that functions really work.